Mighty Mild is an upgrade of the standard centrifugal barrel. With our patented technology employing high pressure at low speeds, the optimal polishing effect can be achieved as a result. Our industry-leading 40G of force is able to target hard-to-reach places and deburr complex workpieces such as gears, since the media along with Mighty Mild's high-pressure low-flow capability is able to reach the inner confines of the workpiece. Our in-house Media E-Series and FS is able to utilize its small size and shape to increase the polishing power while reducing the impingement that normally occurs in a high-flow environment. We also provide analysis services that calculate the polishing mechanism using the latest simulation technology and provide optimal polishing recipes.